Hey guys, yes, I'm back for another video. This is Moby Dick Part 2. We're just going to another part of Caldecott Bay to mow up and anchor down and basically stargaze and have a meal before stargazing. And it's been absolutely wonderful. And there's a little friend who's coming to see us. You're bunk. This is Alison. Yes. And basically, yeah, I will show you whereabouts we're going.
I wanna go play hide and seek. I wanna go and touch the moon just like the Tarzan moon. You and I are just like a couple of pups running across the meadow, picking up
That's where we're staying. That's where we're staying, somewhere in that holiday outlet. But we will be mooring up where that rock is. And I'm gonna end it there, folks, for this boat trip. Yeah, more holiday videos to come, so look out for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.